1, bungee!
Mail that is delivered after 12:01 a.m. on Monday the 14th. The first 40,000 qualified applications delivered to the State Department will get a permanent visa to live in the United States. Of that, 16,000 must be from Ireland. And that's about all I know about the provisions of the lottery.
A push for freedom.
Be in life, you know. And then everybody started talking about Mahalia Jackson. I said, if I could just hear it one time. It was in a little town in Elsinore, near Colton, San Jacinto, Hibbert, Riverside, up in there, Lake Elsinore. Yeah. And I heard Mahalia Jackson one day, and I was 9. And I said, that's who I want to be like. I want to be a gospel singer.
It's amazing, but you can build a house out of bricks made from dirt in your own backyard for $1,500. Kind of a secret that the banks don't want you to know. And take a look at this beautiful dwelling that you can climb on. And it's beautiful inside, too.
This is what it takes to build the whole structure. See?
Very good.
Take this, you see, hold. You just lay a sandbag and you adjust it to this. This is it. You lay the next one and it goes all the way up until it becomes a dome. With this one compass.
It's so simple.
That's it. It's all it takes.
Of our clientele still tends to be women, but more and more we're getting younger women in. It's not uncommon now for us to be selling condoms to 13-year-old girls. In fact, we had a limo stop by with the junior high prom the other night. The kids are about 13.
What made you decide to be a gladiator?
My 9-year-old.
Oh, really?
She talked me into it.
Oh, what a riot.
We loved the show from the beginning. It was just something she really wanted her mom to do.
Oh, that's cool.
You know, so she talked me into it. She did all the legwork on it. Here I am.
Also doing an outstanding job.
Cheryl was...
How does someone get to be a gladiator? I mean, you guys are very special. I mean, the contenders come and they
Yes.
come for a couple of weeks and
Right. That's the thing that's so neat about being a gladiator, because once you know you've made it to be an American gladiator, you are definitely among the elite. Just, there's no doubt about it. You are an elite athlete. And that in itself is fulfilling.
Baby! Mike! I think one's gonna come out, and it's not the big one. Every time you come in and call Mike, he comes. He's a greedy little thing. Come on, Mike! Boomer! Come on, Mike! Baby! Mike! Baby! Defend him, though. That's what's bad. Come on, Mike! Baby! Mike! Come on, Mike! Baby! I'll show you the real quick. Okay, it's too far to film, but Mike! Well, there goes one. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Oh, there he is. Oh,
No,
my
that's not
God.
Mike.
Oh, who is that?
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Oh, my God.
Come on, sugar. That's my Mike. Oh, I was hoping you'd get. Don't move fast. You're scared him.
Okay.
Come on, baby. There's Mike. Come on, Mike. Look, baby. Come on, sugar. Oh, he's a good boy. Come on, Mike. That's it. Yeah. Mike's hungry, huh, Mike? Come on, Mike. Here, sweetie. Let's go this way now. Come on. Come on. Come on, don't. Isn't he sweet?